another one. Turk money on the beat. Alpha Romeo on the street. I got something special for y'all. What's good with YouTube? Today we're gonna be reviewing the Maniére's Jordan 5s. I think these are Dusk. Yeah, I think these are Dusk. Enough yapping, let's get into the action, right? I hit on these through Maniére, the site. It was my first shoe entering on that site. I mean, I feel like these 5s probably would be the most slept on 5s in a long time. You know, you got your Wolf Greaves, you got all type of 5s, but like, I was a huge fan of 5s. I used to have the Wolf Greaves, but then I sold them. They were kind of beat up, but it is what it is, right? Maniére, if you don't know, I mean, I really don't know, so I can't speak too much on the situation, right? I guess it's a designer or it's a company, so they did a collab with Jordan, these Jordan 5s, and we're gonna get right into it. The box, I guess, is a burgundy box. It's a beautiful box, man. It got the A's on it. I really like this shoe. I already wore this shoe. You can see right here. It's really fly, bro. Like, 5s are slept on. And I'm hoping to get another shoe for Christmas. And believe me, I might sound crazy, but I think the next wave of shoes, and if it's not a celebrity or anybody like that that's gonna put these shoes on, I'm gonna put them on for sure. Cause guess what? I'm about to get these, and they're gonna be these low Jordan 5s. Now don't look at me like that. Low Jordan 5s are really slept on. Just like on my other page, I had the low Jordan 1s. A lot of people were sleeping on those, but I'm like, bro, they resemble Dunks, the Jordans, and all about the colorways. And that was before the Pandas even dropped, bro. So like, I'm telling you guys, like, I really be on this kick. But yeah, we're gonna get right into it, right? Open the box, we got the Maniére. Per usual, I'll do something on the bottom so you can see a little bit better. We got the Maniére Jordan 5s. Like I said, this shoe I feel like it's very slept on, like, for real. Like I said, I already rocked these before. Still smell brand new, but bro, this is a fire shoe. This is a fire shoe. Check it out. These are A's. They got A's on here. I like the material. I like the burgundy. This is just something that you wear like, man, I ain't really trying to do too much, but I'm also stunned, right? Because you stunned because only a few will know what the shoe is, right? Only a few people will know. The shipping process, I had to wait a little bit while for my shoe, but I feel like everybody had a different shipping experience. Now, I really love this shoe. I'm telling you, like, this shoe, you got the Maniére right here on the bubble. It's fire. It really is fire. And then on the other one, they come with different laces. They come with different laces. A lot of people be rocking the cream laces, the white laces. I just left the black in there because of the outfit that I was wearing at the time. I might switch up and do the cream laces, but you never know, right? So, I mean, overall, pretty good shoe. I think it'll probably be the most slept on shoe of the year, maybe, possibly. Yeah, man, if you like this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be pushing out as much content as I can as far as when it comes to shoes. You know, I make music, I have a brand. So, I mean, it's really hard as far as the shoe content because one, you gotta have the shoes to review. And honestly, these drops and these raffles and these, man, it's really tough to get these shoes, man. I mean, you could pay overpriced for them, but I'm not gonna do that. I wanna relate to you guys. We're all in the same boat. I'm in your shoes, you're in my shoes. We're gonna try to keep it relatable. Because look, at the end of the day, I could spend $300-400 on these Powerpuff Girls or whatever, any other shoe, just to get it, just to do a review. But I don't wanna do that. I wanna relate to the regular person, which is you. You and I, we're both the same. I'm not special. We're all sneakerheads, right? You wouldn't be watching this video if you're not a sneakerhead, especially with the Jordan Maniére 5s. I mean, the white pair dropped. I didn't know white was, because you know, the white was a women's shoe, but I ain't really, my heart wasn't really pulled to the white. I didn't know till late, honestly. I had a friend send it to me and I'm like, man, those kind of fire. And there was like these black ones drop. I'm like, well, shit, those really fire. So let me try to go ahead and get a crack at these. But yeah, man, like I said, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and we're gonna get into the next one. Peace.